Whenever you see these cornrows, whenever you see this, then you know that it's wig unboxing time.
I need your billing up body. I got no bomba.
So, should dark skin girls put on burgundy? Like, can dark skin girls, should dark skin girls, do you even think dark skin girls can rock this shade? Like, basically, because I know that most of us dark skin girls, we are like very, very skeptical with colors and everything on our skin. But in this video, let us see. So basically, this is the wig. It didn't come in a box. I'm going to give you guys the brief everything later on. It did not come in a box. It came in a transparent nylon. This is the wig. It is a pixie curl wig, and it comes with a 4x4 closure. Correct me if you think this is not a 4x4 closure, but I think it's a 4x4 closure. And this is, it just comes in this cap. Okay, it doesn't come with any band. That's just something I do not like about it. No band, so it might not really be so secure, but this is it. This is the wig. We are going to wet it. We're going to wet it actually, so that we'll see the real curl definition. Okay, so let's put it on my head. Oh my god. So this is a pixie curl wig burgundy on your dark skin babe. Just because I know that we don't joke with colors, we like very skeptical with colors. But so this is the wig, this is what it is. I don't know how many inches this is. Let me know in the comment section. So you guys, this is the wig. It is not, you know, remember I talked about the band not being there. It's also not so big for my head. The band and a clip gives more security. So I have a conditioner. This is just conditioner and water. Though I've done this before, but I just want to show you guys. Basically, pixie curls do well with water. Like, if you really want to enjoy your pixie curl wig, this is actually my first pixie curl wig. And I want to say this, you guys, when you see something at a particular price, I learned that the hard way when I received this wig. It is a human hair wig, just in case I did not indicate. It's actually a human hair wig, and it's actually very soft, okay? But when you see something at a price, let's say maybe 200k somewhere, and you see it somewhere else at another price, let's say a lesser price or half that price, do not think that it is of the same quality, okay? Don't think it's of the same quality. It's better you save up and buy the better one, because the durability, like how long it's going to stay, will like matter. So you guys can see that I can easily run my hands through the hair, and it looks like a 14 to 16 inches, one of them. What do you guys think about the hair color on my dark skin? Do you think I should just go ahead putting on my black, all my wigs are black? Or you think that this color is a really nice? So I'm going to try to cut this lace right here on camera. Hopefully I don't ruin the hair. Hopefully I do not ruin this hair, because my mirror is far from me. It's a bit far from me. So I'm just going to be using my camera to cut this lace. Holy Spirit, take control. So I'm using this scissors, and you're supposed to cut your, oh God of mercy, you're supposed to cut this in a zigzag manner. You guys, your girl is starting her hair journey, so oh my god, let me just cut it first. So you're not supposed to cut it straight. Oh, I'm doing a good job, but this part is, let me move closer to my mirror so I don't further mess this up. Okay, I'll be right back, you guys. So guys, I'm done cutting the hair, but I cut a little bit out of my, like, the frontal. It's not so bad, but I'm pained. I'm pained. So this is the hair. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. So for pixie curls, you just really need conditioner, and you just need to really maintain it properly, keep it properly. Whenever you need to really define it, you really just need pixie curls. Then you can also lay this hair like a frontal. I'm going to do that probably in another video. You can actually lay it like, but I don't think it's that necessary. That's if you want to lay it, you can do that. And if you have that what's it called, that wax stick, yeah, it will make the hair come out so nice. Okay, but for now, this is how I'm going to be rocking the hair till I find the time to go and get all those hair stuff. But what you guys think about my hair, let me know in the comment section. What other colors do you think I should try? What other colors do you think I should try? Do you guys know why I laughed? Because oh my god, because buying hair is quite expensive, but it's okay, don't worry, God will provide. You guys should watch my videos. Let me have money to buy hair. Anyway, so I got this hair from, is it Naya something? I'll put it on the description. I got it on TikTok. She's a vendor on TikTok. I got it from her. But the dispatch order really strong. She also, her customer service was, she was not rude or anything, but it was just like giving, maybe she's new to the job or something. Imagine ordering something and basically they tell you, they tell you, okay, this is how much you're going to pay for this part, this is this. They give you details, everything. The dispatch rider is coming from here. They say, oh, do you want it from DHL or do you want from, they tell you this is how much dispatch is. But she was doing it like, oh, she's sending it directly from her house. It's going to be like very expensive, like extremely expensive. I don't even know if I have enough space to start explaining to you, but basically dispatch rider, I feel like she did not consider me. Basically, how much is the hair I bought, I'll be paying how much for delivery. Like, it was so outrageous to me. And she was just like, hey, me, I did not ask. I'm like, really, this is not my first time buying things online. She was just so, she was not rude, honestly, but I just felt like she could have done better with the delivery process and everything. So you guys, this is the hair, and if you want like a very full version, I think they said something like pull the hair out and flip it. Yeah, pull the hair out, flip it, and put it back on. Like, you need to flip it, flip it. So it's going to be like really full, So what do you guys think? What do you think on dark skin? So this is the hair. Some part of the hair entering into my mouth. Alright, so this is the hair. I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me know what you think in the description. My name is Cherish. Bye.